All you high schoolers and shit have to go to school, and I'm just gonna sit here and do nothing with my life.
Lyric, hey.
You want something? Go get it. Period.
You want a tree? Yes. You want one? Yes. You want one? Yes.
Hold on, do it. Yeah. Oh my god.
Ready?